This is number 1 in red. And here are the stickers that we're going to use to create number 1. Let's put him on the page. And now we add one eye and a mouth. Let's add a red accessory and also a hat. And we have the number 1 in red. Let's continue with number 2 in orange. Here are the stickers. He's wearing glasses, and we'll add also a nice smile. He's wearing a tuxedo with a beautiful tie. Let's add the number 2 and a hat. And number 2 is ready to join number 1. After number 2, we have number 3 in yellow. Here's number 3. Let's put him on the page. We'll add 2 eyes and a smile. He's also wearing a crown. Here's number 3. There's also a cloud and a sun. And he's holding a flower. Number 3 in yellow. Here's number 4 in green. And number 4 is a green square. Let's add one eye and another eye and a nice smile. Let's also add eyebrows. This is number 4 and he's holding a ruler. He's ready to join his friend number 3. Next is number 5 in blue. He's very tall. Here's also number 5. Let's put him on the white page. And now we'll add one eye in the form of a star and a regular eye. And also a nice smile. He's wearing a beautiful hat. And he's holding a flower. Number 5. Number 5 in blue. Here's the next one. Number 6 in purple. It's a rectangle. The same as the one on the sticker. Let's put him on the white page and add some eyes. One here and one there. And a smile. Number 6 is holding a bunch of balloons and a dice. Let's also add a flower. And number 6 is ready to join his friend number 5. Next is number 7 with rainbow colors. Beautiful number 7. Let's put him on the white page. And now let's add his eyes and his smile. He's holding a dice and there's a hot air balloon. And let's add a few more decorations. Number 7. Number 7 is ready to join his friends. Next is number 8 in hot pink. Unfortunately, we don't have any stickers. Then we have number 9 in gray. No stickers either. Next is number 10 in white and red. And this time we do have stickers. Here's number 10. Let's put him on the white page. And we'll add his beautiful eyes in the form of stars. And of course, a smile. He loves math. He's very good with numbers. He's wearing a necktie. And there's a rainbow and the number 10. Number 10 in white and red. Number 1 in red. Number 2 in orange. Number 3 in yellow. Number 4 in green. Number 5 in blue. Number 6 in purple. Number 7 in rainbow colors. Number 8 in hot pink. Number 9 in gray. Number 10 in white and red. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.